Hey Mark, I have a friend who just got their real estate license. I'm going to ask them about listing my house. Well, that's wonderful. I can appreciate your sense of loyalty. It's a value I respect in other people. When I started in real estate 15 years ago, I honestly didn't know what I didn't know. Along the way, I have learned so much that wasn't on the real estate exam. Selling a home is the biggest financial decision most people will make in their lifetime. Going with someone who you know simply because you know them may not necessarily guarantee that you get the best financial results. Consider asking the voice of experience when it comes to such a large and important decision.